Hello everyone. iOS 18 beta is out now. I've already updated and there are so many amazing features. Are you excited to try them out too? In this video, we will show you how to download and install iOS 18 beta for free in a straightforward way. Just grab your iPhone and open Safari to get started. First visit betaapple.com using Safari. For iOS devices, scroll down to start. Click iOS 18. Click Download. Sign in with your Apple ID. Click Register your iOS device. And then select Turn on Beta Updates. On a registration page. This will take you to the Software Update page in Settings, where you can select Developer Data to get iOS 18. However, the iOS 18 beta version can cause a lot of issues like overheating, lagging, and delays on your phone due to its instability. The solution to these problems is simple: just downgrade back to iOS 17. To downgrade iOS easily with one click, this iOS downgrade tool, iMyFone-Fixppo, is the one you can't miss. Step 1: Download iMyFone-Fixppo from the bio in the descriptions below and launch Fixppo, then choose the iOS upgrade/downgrade from the interface. Step 2: Click the iOS downgrade to downgrade from iOS 18 beta to iOS 17. Step 3: Connect your iPhone to PC with USB. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and above, instantly click and release the volume up key and then the volume down key. Press and hold the side button until you see this. Step 4: Fixppo will detect your iPhone system and show you the available iOS firmware version to download and downgrade. Click the download button to get the iOS firmware for downgrading. When the firmware is downloaded, click the Start Downgrade iOS button for Fixppo to begin downgrading your current iOS version to older iOS. In a few minutes, the downgrading process will be complete. Your iPhone will be rebooted automatically and you can see that your iPhone is now reverted to the iOS 17 from iOS 18 beta. Enjoy your previous stable iOS system. Alright, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you found these tips helpful, feel free to share them with your friends. See you next time.